my dear third class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of numbers. In this chapter, you learnt addition facts. That means rules in the addition. We add 0 to a number or number to a 0, we get the same answer. 0 means nothing. That's why we get the same number in the result. The result of addition is called total. Next, we add 1 to a number or number to a 1. That means 1 plus number or number plus 1. We get the next number of the given number. Third one, when we add 2 or more numbers in any order, we get the same total. This property is called commutative property of addition. These are the rules in the addition. And another one, in this chapter you learn adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. And adding 4-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. And word problems. With regrouping means, yes, after adding ones place digits, we get 2-digit number. We carry forward tens number to tens place. That means we carry forward to ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds. That is called, we are going to carry forward one number to next place. That means left side place. Just left side place. The same way, addition of 4-digit number also with regrouping, carry forward. Simple word goes to carrying additions. Carrying additions. Next one, word problems. What are the words we are going to use in addition word problems? Add, total, sum, in all together, more, increase, both. These the etc. words are we are going to using while writing word problems. I give you homework. No, yesterday I gave you homework. I think you all are done. Are you practiced? Okay, Nana. Learn tables also. In the today's class, continuation of second chapter. Next concept goes to estimation. Rounding off is a type of estimation. Rounding of numbers. You learned in chapter 1. Are you remember? Yes. Rounding off is a type of estimation. Estimation is a method we do not know the exact value. We do not know the exact value. We find out the nearest value, reasonably close to it. Okay? We are going to, yes, find out the closer, the nearest number to given, that is going to rounding off the numbers nearest to the tens, rounding off the numbers nearest to the 100. This one you already learnt in the chapter 1. Once I am going to revise the rules of estimation, then go to how we are going to using rounding off numbers nearest to the tens and nearest to the hundreds in addition. Okay? See, first of all the rules goes to, see, the given number goes to 28. 28 is nearest to the tens means rounding off the numbers nearest to the tens means first going to check ones place number. Going to check ones place. This is going to nearest to the tens. Nearest to the tens. Check that ones place number. If the ones place number is less than 5. Less than 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. If the ones place number is less than 5, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. The number does not change. Yes, if the number equal to 5 or greater than 5, the tens place number added 1. 1 is added to tens place number. Then ones place number going to put 0. Tens place number retain, yes, and this number comes 0. See, suppose 28. 28 is nearest to tens means 8 is in the ones place. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. That means we add 1 to tens place number. Here tens place number is 2. 2 plus 1, 3 and put 0. That means 28 is rounded off. 28 is nearest to the tens means 30. Are you remember this? Okay. Here ones place number is greater than 5. That's why we are going to change the tens place number and put 0 in the ones place. Another number. 14 or 32. See, first of all, nearest to the tens means rounding of the numbers. Nearest to the tens means check the ones place number. If the ones place number is less than 5, if the ones place number is less than 5, the tens place number does not change. Simply put 0 in the ones place. Here given number is 4 is less than 5. That means this ones place number becomes 0. Tens place number write as it is. That means rounded off 14 is nearest to the tens means 10. 14 is nearest to 10. Now come to second number 32. What is in the ones place? 2. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Then no change in the tens place number. Write tens place number as it is. Put 0 in the ones place. 32 is nearest tens means 30. Okay. If the tens place ones place number is less than 5, no change in the tens place. Write same number and put 0 in the ones place. And another number. Have you understood the concept? Already you learnt in chapter 1. 47 and 68. See, 47 is rounded off the nearest tens. That means check the number in the ones place. Ones place having 7. 7 is greater than 5. Goes to second rule. Greater than 5 means we add 1 to the tens place. That means here 4 tens are there. 4 tens goes to 5 tens. And put 0 in the ones place. 47 is nearest to 50. Understood? Ones place number is more than 5 or greater than 5. We put 0 in the ones place and add 1 to tens place. That means going up. That means 4 changes into 5. 47 is nearest to 50. Now coming to 68. Ones place number is 8. 8 is greater than 5. Isn't it? 8 is greater than 5. That means going to second row. Then put 0 in the ones place. Add 1 to tens place number. Here 6 is there. The next tens goes to 6 plus 1, 7. 68 is nearer to 70. 68 is nearer to 70. Are you remember, Nana? Next number. 45 or 72. Rounding of numbers nearest to tens. Check out ones place number. Here ones place number is 5. 5 equal to 5. Second rule. 5 equal to 5 means put 0 in the ones place. Tens place number change into next tens. That means 45 is nearer to 50. Nearest to 50. Equal to 5 or greater than 5. Put 0 in the ones place That means 4 plus 1, 5. 4 tens becomes 5 tens. Next, second number 72. See, ones place number is 2. This is ones place. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. No change in the tens place number. Then write tens place number as it is and put 0 in the ones place. That means 72 is nearest to 70. This is rounding of numbers nearest to the tens. Now we are going to find out estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. This is going to exercise 2G in our textbook. Exercise 2G in our textbook, page number 41. First I am going to give example problem. The given problem goes to estimate the sum 19 and 7. Estimate the sum 19 and 7 to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Estimate the sum. Estimate the sum of. The sum of means. What do you mean sum means? Yes, total. How do you get total? By addition. That means the given question goes to this 19 plus 7. Find out to the nearest 10. First, we have to find out 19 is rounded off 19. Rounded off 19 is nearest to 10. Rounded off 7 is nearest to 10. 19 is nearest to and 7 is nearest to. Check out the ones place number 9. 9 is greater than 5. That means 19 is going to next tens. Here 1 is there. 1 becomes 2 and put 0 in the tens place. 19 is nearest to 20. Now second number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. That means 7 is nearer to 10. Estimated sum goes to 20 plus 10, 30. Estimated sum goes to 20 plus 10, 30. That means 19 plus 7 is nearest to the tens means 30. This is going to estimated sum. Actual sum I am going to show. Actual. That means given numbers 19 plus 7, 16, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. We get sum is 26. Ones place number is 6. 6 is greater than 5. Then put 0 in the ones place. 2 becomes 3. 26 is nearer to 30. That is going to quite close estimated value 30. It is close to estimated value 30. This is estimated sum. This is estimated sum. Another example. Next one. Estimated sum of, yes, estimated sum of 32 and 17 to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. Estimated the sum of 32 plus 7. Sum means total. How do you get the estimation? Nearest to tens. Nearest to the tens. Nearest to the tens. Here we have to find out estimation sum. Estimation. See, 32. 32. What is in the ones place? 2. 2 is less than 5. Rounding of numbers. The rule goes to less than 5 means ones place number put 0. Tens place number does not change. That means 32 is nearest to the tens means 30. Second number is 17. What is in the ones place? 7. 7 is greater than 5. That means ones place number put 0. then 110 becomes 2 tens. That means 17 is rounded off to the nearest tens means 20. Estimation sum equal to 50. Estimation sum equal to 50. Estimated the sum of 32 plus 70 to the nearest tens goes to 50. To the nearest tens goes to 50. Estimated sum. Another example. Rounding of numbers. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. Estimate the sums to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. Here we are going to find out. Estimate the sum of rounding of the given numbers to the nearest 10. Another example. Example sum. 27 plus 42. This is the given question. We are going to find out the sum to the nearest 10. Estimation sum. Estimation is a method. We do not know exact value, but we are going to close reasonably close to it. See, first number is 27. Rounded off 27 is nearest to the tens means check out the ones place number. Ones place number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. That means it is closer to 30. It is closer to 30. 7 is more than 5. Then we are going to change tens place number goes to next tens. Second number is 42. What is in the ones place? 2. 2 is less than 5. Then write same number 40. Okay. This is going to estimated sum. 27 is rounded off to the nearest tens means 30. 42 is rounded off nearest tens equal to 40. Now estimated sum goes to 70. Estimate the sums to the nearest 10. 27 plus 42 is nearest to 70. Nearest to 70. Actual value. Actual sum. This is estimated sum. Now we are going to actual sum. Write the given numbers. 27 plus 42. No need this. Just I am going to show. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 4, 6. We get 69. What is in the ones place? 9. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Then we are going to change tens place number. That means 6 plus 1, 7 and put 0 in the ones place. That means 67 is, yes, rounded off. Nearest tens means 70. Estimated sum, actual sum. This is estimated sum. We have to find out this one only, this method. Okay? Going to next one. Estimate the sum to the nearest 10. See, I am going to textbook exercise, exercise EXERCISE 2G. Page number 41. Page number 41. First one. A. 15 plus 8. Given question is 15 plus 8. Now rounding off 15 to the nearest 10. Rounding off 15 to the nearest 10. 15 is nearest to the tens means what is in the ones place? 5. Equal to 5. 5 equal to 5 means put 0 in the ones place. Tens place number added 1 to tens place number. Then 110 becomes 2 tens and put 0. Now rounding off 8 to the nearest tens. Rounding off 8 to the nearest tens. 8 is greater than 5. That means 8 is nearer to 10. Estimated sum goes to, see what is the estimated sum? 20 plus 10 goes to 30. This is the estimated sum. This is the estimated sum. Now go to actual sum. Actual sum means add these two numbers. 15 plus 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 right here, 1 carrying over. 1 plus 1, 2. We get the sum 23. In 23, 3 is in the ones place. 3 is less than, yes, 3 is less than, you have to write only estimation sum. 3 is less than 5. That means the 23 is nearest to 20. But here we get 30. Why? Here 15 is, yes, 5 is equal to 5. That means 50 is nearest to 20. Sorry, 8 is more than 5. Very sorry. 8 is more than 5. It goes to, yes, 10. Next one. Come on, Seema. First one. Again I am going to tell you. 15 plus 8. We have to find out estimated sum. Estimated sum means first we have to write the nearest 10 to the given numbers. 15 is nearest to 10 means 20. Why? 5 is in the ones place. The rule goes to 5 equal to 5 means we add 1 to 10's place number, then 1 becomes 2 and 0. Second number is 8. Nearest to 10's goes to 8 is nearest to 10. 20 plus 10 equal to 30. This is going to estimated sum. Estimated sum. That's all. This is the solution. Answer of first problem. 15 plus 8. Here we have to find out estimate the sum means 15 is nearer to 20, 8 is nearer to 10. Estimated sum goes to 20 plus 10, 30. 20 plus 10, 30. Second one. Second one. B. 25 plus 18. 25 plus 18. Find the estimated sum. Find the estimated sum. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Rounding off to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. First number is 25. Rounding off nearest to tens. 5 is in the ones place. 5 equal to 5. Then this is going to change. 2 changes into 3. Put 0. Second number is 18. Nearest to tens. 8 is in the ones place. 8 is greater than 5. Then 1 becomes 2 and put 0. Estimated sum equal to estimated sum equal to 30 plus 20 equal to 50. Estimated sum equal to 30 plus 20. Rounding off to the nearest tens. 25. 5 is in the ones place. 5 equal to 5. Then 2 becomes 3 and put 0 in the ones place. 18 is nearest to the tens means ones place number is 8. 8 is more than 5. 1 becomes 2. Put 0. Estimated sum goes to 30 plus 20, 50. Next one. C. 38 plus 22. Rounding of the numbers nearest to tens. Rounding off to the nearest tens. This is going to find out estimated sum. Write first number 38. 8 is in the ones place. 8 is more Then 3 becomes 4. Put 0. Second number is 22. 2 is in the ones place. 2 is less than 5. That means no change in the tens place. Write as it is. Estimated sum. Estimated sum equal to 40 plus 20 equal to 60. Estimated sum equal to 40 plus 20, 60. Rounding off to the nearest tens. 38, 8 is greater than 5. That is, it is nearest to 40. 22, 2 is less than 5. That is, it is nearer to 20. Estimated sum equal to 40 plus 20, 60. Next, D. Rounding off numbers to the nearest. Yes. Rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. Question D. 45 plus 37. Write same. Rounding off numbers. Rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. Take numbers. What is the first number? 45. 5 is in the ones place. 5 equal to 5. Then 4 becomes 5. Put 0. Next, 37. 7 is in the ones place. 7 is greater than 5. That means 3 becomes 4 and put 0. Estimated sum equal to. Estimated sum equal to 50 plus 40. 50 plus 40 equal to 90. This is going to estimate the sums to the nearest 10 in our textbook exercise. Okay children, properties and learn tables. Thank you very much. Bye.